we will talk about the oil market with คุณทอแสง ชัยประวัติ the Global Commercial Planning Manager from Thai Oil Public Company Limited สวัสดีค่ะคุณทอแสง
สวัสดีค่ะคุณวีนาคุณองค์อนันต์
ค่ะสวัสดีค่ะ Well, the oil price has been rising quite rapidly now amid the Iran sanction. Also, the local price float by the Thai government. Now, what is your estimate of the oil price trend for the first quarter this year?
The tension between the West and Iran on its nuclear program will likely continue to support high prices throughout the first quarter of this year and possibly for the whole year, depending on the outcome of the EU oil sanction, which will be effective on July 1st. Depending on whether Europe can find alternative source of crude and if Iran can find the alternative buyers. However, we do not expect any disruption to the oil supply to the Strait of Hormuz, even though Iran threatened to close the strait.
Yes.
Because we think that Iran will eventually find alternative buyers for its crude. Therefore, we expect the oil price to remain at a high level due to the tension, but not too high. For WTI, we expect it to trade in the range of $95 to $105 per barrel, and Brent will be trading between $105 and $115 per barrel. The price will be capped by the ongoing European debt crisis, which the development is being quite slow lately.
So do you have a scenario where the ban would be imposed on Iran and that the price of oil would be up as high as, let's say, $120, $130?
Just if it's just for the ban by the European countries, the oil price will not be affected as much because it's already been priced in. You can see that oil price has increased around $5 to $10 during the past few months. This is reflecting the European ban on Iran import. However, if the Strait of Hormuz is closed, due to whatever reason, that will be the key factor to push oil prices up to above $150. It can go up to close to $200 or more than $200 per barrel because the 20% of the world oil demand passes through the Strait of Hormuz. So if that happens, then it will skyrocket oil prices.
Yes. คุณทอแสง what is the situation now for alternative energy? As we saw last year, some companies have been getting involved in solar energy. Well, is that a possible alternative for us?
For the solar, it will be an alternative for the electricity, which currently Thailand uses about the fuel for electricity is through natural gas, around 70%. So solar will come in and help because at this moment we already imported around 20 to 30% of our natural gas from Myanmar. So going into the future when the supply of natural gas from the Gulf of Thailand is declining, we will need to import more natural gas. Either from our neighboring countries or we may need to import from further away like the Middle East through the liquefied natural gas. Therefore, alternative fuel will come in strongly to help fill in the increasing demand, and solar is going to be something that we will see more supply from the solar power coming into the future when the cost of producing electricity from solar is declining.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Kun Tho Sang, for your updates for today. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.